Mountain said, how much shall I the beloved seek? The prospects appears so bleak. Oh friends, my lot of has been cast. Will sorrow in the present and past. वेठे मुंह वयो वेठे मुंह वयो लड़ी सिज लकन तां आऊं डोरींदे केतिरो पहणन पैर पियो सूरन साण सहो अची थियम जेरियूं हाणे आऊं तकरीर जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि छो त अॼु वॉइस ऑफ मेहरान 2014 जी चूंड थियणी आहे ऐं तकरीर जी गुज़ारिश कंदुसि मोहतरम शाहज़ैब चन्ना के तव्हांजे ज़ोरदार ताड़ियुनि में मिस्टर शाहज़ैब चन्ना
Start with the sweet name of Allah, who is the master of entire universe. Venerable guests, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Respect sir, Jasn Latif is a great celebration. So today my topic is Surya Yaman Kalyan. So I start my speech with this poetry. जिनके दौर दर्द जो सबक सूर पढ़न फिक्र फरई हथ में माट मुताला कन पनो सो पढ़न जमे पसे प्रिय के Respected sir, Sur Yaman Kalyan is also the kind of Sur Kalyan. Yaman means stop the heart, means this is the Sur of patience. This poetry is also the spiritual and you have to remember Lord. We can say that it is the melody of the peace. Respected sir, my beloved has said, learn of only the letter of Allah and forget all the tasks and make pure your heart and conscience. As he said, अखर पढ़ अलफ जो ब्यावर कसब विसार अखर पढ़ अलफ जो ब्यावर कसब विसार अंदर तो उजार पन्ना बन दे केतरा. Respected sir, but the present condition of the human beings are that they don't care of their creature and they forget. As he said, सासिटन सारी अलफ जंहिंजे अॻ में सासिटन सारी अलफ जंहिंजे अॻ में नाहक निहारी पना ॿिया प्रिय लाइ. Respected sir, means they are peeping her and where without any purpose. Respected sir, we should learn and understand the poetry of my beloved and should act upon it. I finish my speech with this poetry of Sur Yaman Kalyan. पतंग चाही पाण खे त अची आगो जाए पतंग चाही पाण खे त अची आगो जाए पचण खणा पचाया तू पचण खे पचाए वाकिफ थी विसाए आग न ॾिजे आम खे. Wish you all the best.
Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai has said, I didn't the beloved meet, the sun you wish to greet. Fly to the beloved's street and say,